Oh, what's up? It's J Sauce, and we back with another box opening, and we gonna do another legendary collection Kaiba. We're gonna go through the whole process this time, and yeah, so we're gonna delve right into it. Get 3 packs and the 5 promos. Goddess of Sweet Revenge, the King of D, Destruction Dragon, Dragon Reveal Rhapsody, and the Loop of Destruction. Very awesome cards, as always. And then we want to just go ahead and crack up into these. Hope everybody's having a nice day. I am as well, because it's warm outside and feels good. We got a Phoenix Chain, a W-Wing Catapult, a Dragoonity Ducks, Delinquent Duo. Nice. Return of the Dragon Lords, a Fiend Sanctuary, a Bee Buster Drake, Vampire Lord, Deck Devastation Virus, and the legendary Kaiba man himself. And that's just the first pack. Can't wait to see what the second pack beholds. Just dessert. Love desserts. Mirror Force Dragon, a Dragoonity Phalanx, Anti-Regeki, because you gotta block that Regeki, can't let them slide. And a White Hole, because you can't let them Dark Holes slide. Destroy the whole field. Majesty of the Eyes of Blue, White Stone of Ancients. Oh, we got a little stickage. Ooh. A Force Raider. A little stickage up on that one. Huh. Wonder why I got that up on it. I'm gonna set that up. The Voice Raider Full Force Virus and the Crush Card Virus. Too many viruses. Don't want to get sick. Stay safe. Take your vitamins. Get some sun. A Monarch Stormford. Very beautiful. Tiger Dragon. That's the cat feeder right there. X-Wing Catapult. Chain Disappearance. Cool. And a Destruction Dragon Secret. Assault Core. Enemy Controller. Soul Exchange. X-Head Cannon. And Ring of Defense. Alright, y'all, that was it. Now, thank you.